What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. We are back at it in Bludini, and we're going to head over to the Cars of Christmas car meet. It is winter time, and I'm popping out to a winter car meet very last minute. Yeah, no, this way for sure. There's a lot of cars here. There is salt on the road. Oh my gosh, there's so much salt. I was not anticipating on bringing Bludini out, especially in this salt. It's definitely a lot of cars here. But we're gonna get out. We got the glasses on, and I could film hands-free. And I'm just gonna park up over here, and we're gonna see what we can film today. This one, we need the mic. We need the mic shotgun mic holder. We need the cord, and that's about it. Alright, so got the Grinch. Got the Grinch hanging out of that. A lot of cars out here. We got Bludini. Bludini don't have no lights on it, but maybe at the next event I might actually dress Bludini up. I did not anticipate, like I said, bringing Bludini out. They going crazy. Did not anticipate bringing Bludini out with the salt on the roads, as you guys can see in the winter time. But I'm gonna make some content. So maybe at the next events, like I said, I'll dress Bludini up, because as you can see here, it looks pretty festive. Everybody got their cars lit up, and it's something to do in the winter time. And there's a lot of badass cars out here. So I do have I got my drone, so maybe I might put the drone in the air and get a little drone view for y'all. I think I'm gonna do that right now before everybody leaves. But there's a lot of cars out here, as you guys can see. Damn, there's a lot of cars. Hold on. So yeah, this event is called the Cars of Christmas. That color, you cannot get over it, of maroon red. That looks badass, not gonna lie, y'all. It looks badass. I might just have to dress Bludini up. It looks badass at night, but in the daytime, if you get up close, your car looks ugly. I don't even drive my car, so maybe I might just say fucking and throw some Christmas lights on it. I actually will not be able to get my drone in the air because I don't have the SD card for it. I forgot it at home while I was rushing out here. These Jeeps decorated badass, man. The Jeeps got all the decorations on there. Right now is the time that the meet is ending, so I guess there's not as many cars here as there was 2 hours ago when it first started, but we see what we got here. This Mustang looks dope. Lime green, extra lime green with the lights on it. It might be yellow. I don't know. 5.0. That's a dope wrap on that Beamer. This one too. He's the host of the event. This is his car. Christmas tree on top. Lights on the side. Arrows. Put the lights on this car at the event. We got a 5.0 here, as stock as can be. I mean, we gotta look at all of the 5.0s decorated on the inside. As stock as can be. It's got lowering springs on it. It's a track pack. Yo, it's like 10 degrees. Damn, no, it's not 10 degrees. It's probably 20. It's probably a good 20 degrees. This is honestly it. There's really nothing much else here. That's crazy. The wing on that Beamer. Whole setup. Yo, that back got some fat ass wing coming out the back. Damn, son. somebody knew how fat those flames would get, somebody's getting set on fire. Somebody's getting set on fire. I ain't never seen no flames that goddamn big coming out of the fucking exhaust. It's about 10 o'clock, so maybe a lot of people are gonna, but it's a lot of people out here with cameras taking footage for the event. Got the 5-0 right here, lit up all green. Looks like the girl driven as well. Looking off the camera. That's 5% tint on the front window shield. It's crazy. It looks badass as it may look. I don't know how the fuck you'll see something at night. Got the bike back here with the LEDs strapped around it. Harris Bistro. Oh, this is the Santa sleigh by this restaurant right here. Bruh, I missed the downshifts of this M3. That's what it is. It is an M3. Yo, that shit sound badass downshifting. Thanks, bro. Thanks. That sounds good as fuck. Woo. So I have also upgraded my thermostat into this car. Put an upgraded thermostat in so that the thermostat opens up sooner. This car is coming behind me. The thermostat opens up sooner when the car gets hot, so that the car can cool down faster. So my car has been overall running at lower temperatures, as I can see by the ECT, the engine control. Maybe I'll try to run this guy. All right, so let's see if this charger right here would actually want to do a quick pull. He seems like he's got some speed, so let's check it out. Let's run it. Boy, that shit's fast. He couldn't even hook. I was not expecting that. I think he's faster than me, not gonna lie, because he couldn't even hook, and I got tires on, and I hooked a little bit better than him. I definitely want to rerun him though. That's for sure. I don't think this might be a good straightaway. Gotta get out, do a lot more with this car. What y'all think? I should wrap this car full of Christmas lights. It don't come out in a day, so I figure, you know, I could pop out to these meets and get some content for the car. Other than that though,